Cost of this is 100 rupees. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the submersible water pump that can be used in many projects like making sanitizer machine, and we can use this pump for the water pump project. The capacity of this motor is 3 volt to 9 volts. We cannot put this motor to the 12 volts. Now let's test it. First, take the motor and this pipe. This pipe is also given in this motor only. Now join the pipe to the motor. Now take the power supply box and set the voltage to 5 volts. Now take some water and put the motor to the water. Now connect the negative supply of the motor to the negative wire. Now connect the positive supply of the battery to the positive. Now see the water is coming to this side. See, the water is coming. We can use this motor. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.